Welcome to 59 22nd Avenue in Earlton. We are sitting on the south side of downtown, right next to the MNP Sports Center and the Stampede grounds. This location is beautiful and unbeatable, and I am so excited to show you this fantastic unit. I'm Hannah with the McLaren real estate team and the real estate company. Let's check it out. This stunning apartment has been updated to the T. The current owners purchased it in 2018 and have done all the renovations since then. It is gorgeous. So over here, you come in to the front door. There's a massive entryway with this great big closet, super wide, and then you are wowed by this big open living space. And then off to the one side, you've got a combination laundry room, pantry room, super spacious, tons of built-in closets. It is amazing. This living space is just surrounded by windows and out looking onto trees. So you're in one of the best communities in Calgary, and you look outside and you have this beautiful view of nature, and all you have to do is go down one flight of stairs and you're out onto the main level with great access. This apartment has 2 beds and 2 full baths. So this is the bedroom with an ensuite. You've got a walk-through closet with all these built-in cabinets and a gorgeously updated bathroom. I mean, it is brand new, it is beautiful, stylish, modern, and you've got this great feature wall with the panel. You've got this beautiful barn door. I mean, everything in this unit has been touched and is new to perfection. There are so many amazing things in this unit, so I'm just pointing out a couple of them to tickle your fancy. One of them being this 11-foot island. You can seat quite a few people across, and it's such a great centerpiece of the home for entertaining. As you come around the corner, there is a built-in beverage fridge just sitting right underneath. And then behind me, you'll notice another great feature wall in this house. It's themed throughout a couple of the rooms, and it really ties everything together with a modern, clean look. This secondary bedroom has such a great space. As you can see, it fits a sofa, a whole desk, and it's got this great look over a green space with more trees in front of the window. Right beside, you have the full bathroom, and it's kind of tucked away from the rest of the living area. So it's on one side, the other bedroom is on the opposite side. So perfect for privacy. If there's someone, a secondary person living here full time, it's just a great setup. Thank you so much for watching this video. As you can see, this is a beautiful unit in a beautiful complex. We're just ending the video out in the courtyard here. It's all perfectly maintained year-round, multiple fountains and walking paths, and this lovely wilderness. So please give us a call here at the McLaren real estate team to come check out this unit. There are more details linked in the description below, as well as links to all of our social medias. So you can like us there, follow, share, all that good stuff. And until next time, keep it real.